Hi everyone, Michael here. During the stream today, I would like to talk about digital teams and the modern roles we can see in technical IT teams. We're already aware of the traditional structure, right? The functional organization where you have a CEO on top. There could be some C-levels, C-level executives, and then we may have a team, for example, a front-end team, a back-end team, a mobile app team. And in fact, this was the setup in my previous company. The advantage of this setup is, in fact, the fact that developers can focus on technology. They can become really experts. So say we have a team here, a team of backend engineers, backend developers. And these developers can really focus on what they do. They have peers around. They are really good at what they do, and they like to focus. So what is important for you as a recruiter is to realize this, because as soon as you work with this organization, you may assume this is happening inside the organization. They may have a team of front-end engineers, front-end developers, again, who strive for excellence, who want to be really great at what they do. They want to nail every single detail. They want to create bug-free code. They may adopt DevOps best practices, etc., because they want to really nail it down. They want to be great at what they do. And there is this shift from this type of organization structure to digital teams, agile teams. And in this agile team structure, it's usually flat. It's flatter than, obviously there is some CEO here. Obviously there is management, but the teams are usually cross-functional, autonomous, even self-organizing. So there are teams like, for example, this one. And inside the team, we could see different digital team roles. So there could be a product owner, there could be a scrum master, there could be a digital marketing specialist. So I'll just write marketing. And there could be a front-end developer or web developer. Similar, slightly different. We can talk about these roles. In fact, if you would like to go deeper, you can also check some of our courses. I think we cover this organizational structure in GR103. If you go to geekrecruiter.com/academy, you will see a list of courses. And in GR103, we go deeper. We describe every single role. And we also talk about Agile in general. So if you are not aware of Agile, you may want to check the course GR102. Okay, in 102, we talk about Agile teams, what is Agile, what are the Agile methodologies, etc. But I don't want to go into details now. So what is important for you at this point, you as a recruiter, is to realize what are the specifics for this developer. So say there is a front-end developer here, there is a front-end developer here, say this one, but they work in completely different environment. So this developer works in a team that strives for excellence, wants to implement all the best practices, while here this developer is working on projects that are driven by this product owner. They could have some common goals, common KPIs, OKRs. So in other words, what I try to say is that the clean code may not be high on their list of priorities. What they may strive for is speed, fast iterations, and little improvements over time. Okay, so just keep this in mind next time when you hire a front-end developer or a back-end developer or a full-stack developer, and think what kind of environment these developers will work in. Okay, so this is what I wanted to share in this really brief live stream. based on some of the discussions we had with recruiters during our live webinars. And by the way, if you'd like to learn more about the webinars we organize for recruitment agencies, for teams of recruiters, you may want to go to geekrecruiter.com/class, where you will see one of the webinars, an example of what we do. It's usually great fun because now I'm just talking to a camera and hope someone will watch it online. But as soon as we have a session with a team of 15, 20 recruiters, it's usually great fun. We talk, we discuss, and that's how I like it. And it always reminds me there's just so much to learn in the world of IT because it keeps evolving, not just now on a high level, like there's this shift from traditional structure to agile digital team roles, but even more subtle differences. So for example, in data, if you look at some of these data roles, this could be a data engineer, data analyst. There's also this shift. Who is a data engineer? What is the difference between a data engineer and a data scientist, business intelligence analyst? There are just so many roles that recruiters should be aware of. I cannot really overestimate the importance of continuous learning. And we just discussed it with one of our clients recently. He tries to get his recruiters to learn continuously, constantly, precisely because all these roles evolve, the expectations increase. So as a recruiter, you need to not just know these high level stuff, but also these subtle differences, like how each of these roles evolve, how do they change, what are the preferences, what do data engineers, for example, want these days? What are some of the roles they see as attractive? For example, data science, obviously, but maybe also business intelligence analyst could be the next step in a career of a data engineer. But I'm just going a little further. I only wanted to talk about these two shifts, and for you, remember, keep in mind, these guys want to be strong in tech. They strive for excellence. While here in this setup, usually the quality, well, I don't want to say doesn't matter, but say they may have other priorities because then the team is smaller, they have other KPIs. Here, the team is stronger, there may be 5 engineers, they talk to each other, they set their own priorities. So yeah, I'll wrap it up here. If you guys have any questions, just let me know in questions below, in comments, ask a question, and I will respond as soon as I can. All right, have a wonderful day, and keep learning. It's all about constant growth and progress, right? Have a good day.